Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So today we are about to get into it with this fridge. So I am a big Costco shopper. I bulk buy, and with bulk buying, the fridge just gets stuffed. And it gets stuffed with stuff, and it just gets really messy and cluttered. I have a bunch of condiments, I have butter, I have everything just randomly in this fridge. Again, just shelves of random condiments that nobody's eating, nobody's using, but I have them here and I'm just stacking things. We're all just stacking things. So the first thing that I did was just I pulled everything out. I pulled everything out onto the counter, and this is what it looked like. Completely just filled up our whole counter. And honestly, it wasn't everything. It was just the main stuff on the shelves, and I pulled it out so that we could see what we were working with. This is also our drawers in the fridge, and honestly, I feel like we're not utilizing our fridge the way it needs to be utilized. We are putting fruits and vegetables in these drawers as well, and we forget about them. So this nasty thing is what it looked like. I also found some beautiful shallots that were still good. Don't worry, guys, they were still good. But yeah, these drawers were so nasty. Lots of food that had just dripped underneath. So it was really time to deep clean. And we found some mystery cheese randomly in the back of the fridge. It was so nasty and moldy. So it was definitely time to deep clean. Even though this is a quick little 5-minute video, I did have to put some stuff back because it did take me about a day to clean everything. And here, just additional condiments. Clearly, we love Chick-fil-A. We love Chick-fil-A sauce. It's all here. Another shot of just stuffed condiments. Just doesn't make any sense. Additional condiments, pickles, pickled peppers, jerk sauce. It's all here. Nobody's using it. And random egg, just taking up a whole shelf all by itself. All right, fridge, we get it. You love condiments, but it's time to go. This is just too much. And the decluttering of these shelves begin. Random juice just stuck on the shelf. You need to go as well. Nobody's drinking you. So yay, all clean. I put some elbow grease right into it. Got this place looking nice and shiny. Up next, the main part, really scrubbed it. Used some spray dish soap to really get in there. It smelled so good. It looks so pretty, so nice and shiny, nice and clean. I felt pretty good now putting the food back in here because I know it's been disinfected, and I even organized it a little bit. I got these fridge organizers from Target a while back, so I was able to put them to use. And this is a trash bag full of all the trash from the fridge, wasted food. This is another trash bag of wasted food that came from our fridge. So now our fridge is nice and clean. It smells good, it looks good. We're able to find where things are. Hopefully we can keep it like this for a while, but I know being a family of 5, we're probably gonna have to deep clean again. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.